Hi, Dr. Thayer here, Balance Focus Neck Adjustments. Every year we give back to our community by doing a special day where we give free adjustments away to all my existing patients. And for that, they donate tons of food. We give all that food to our favorite charity, Second Harvest of Orange County, and they disseminate it and give it all to people of our neighborhood. We put a special holiday video together for you. That's a compilation of all the visits, or most of the visits we saw that day, so I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little long, so stick with us and follow that. We donated over 700 pounds of food today, so it's a win-win for everybody, and so I hope you enjoy it. Love you guys. See you guys next time. Dr. Thayer with Dave. I've been a patient for a long time. I'm going to watch this adjustment today. Have fun. Good. This way. Breathe out. Okay, you want to breathe out the mouth, remember? Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Okay, one more here. You're a little tight today. There we go. Perfect. Turn your back. People get a lot of performance anxiety, so I get it.
Been working out.
I'm working out? Really? What are you doing?
Go in the gym, 30-minute workout 3 times a week.
How's it working? I can't see anything.
Feels great.
That feels good? Yeah, good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go this side first.
Finding muscles again.
Good, nice. Good, nice. Yeah. That's Dave with Cody, son of David, and we're gonna watch him get adjusted. It's been a long time, and I think he's like 3 times bigger than he was last time he was here. So we're gonna see what I can do today. It's a bit late, please. You playing football still?
No.
No. So now you got all this size.
Yeah.
You doing the family thing?
Yep.
Good. Okay, just breathe. In the nose, out the mouth. No? Good. Beautiful. That went huge. Your dad wishes he could go that much. Yeah. Good. Nice. Now. Right now we're doing L3, guys. Right there. Okay. Up here. Yeah. Good. Now you're back. Yeah. I think we gotta work on the weight with you, dude.
I know.
Look at that face. Blood pressure's kind of high. You realize that, right?
No.
Yeah. You got a little bit of high blood pressure there. I can already see it starting to build. Been a patient of mine for years. How old are you when I first met you?
I don't know. When you first met me?
I think you were like
I was
5
like, yeah.
or 6. And he was this big back then, too.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, but see his face? See the redness?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it can be sun, but it can also be a little bit of blood pressure. So you should have that checked, dude. Yeah. God, I'm old.
Yeah.
Good, beautiful. God, 5 years old. How old are you now?
29. Just remember, you were training 10
I
and
know.
10 and 11-year-olds, and now they're 32.
Wow.
They were 10 and 11-year-old girls when we first met you.
Easy, don't say that online. That doesn't come across very well. You were training 10 and 11-year-old girls?
Yeah.
I was, by the way. Good, nice.
Physical training for
Physical training.
softball team.
Still doesn't sound very good.
Championship softball team. How about that?
Okay, well, you built me up about 1 degree. 1%. Okay. Anyway, that's Cody. Thanks for watching. Hi, Dr. Thayer here with Monica. And so she's been a patient forever. And so we're going to watch her get adjusted. Yeah, I thought it'd be fun to record all the patients that come in on Saturday. See what happens. Uh-oh. Look at her. She's like, I'm going to smile for the camera. Did you dress to be on camera today?
No. I'm a behind the camera kind of gal.
You know what we need to do?
What?
We'll have to get me shooting the basket
Yes.
on camera for posterity.
Yes. Let's hope it goes in. But
I'll edit it.
Okay.
Good, nice.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Come closer. Good, perfect. Table, please.
Okay.
Oh, look at her. That is about the first. I've never seen anybody hang out like that on the table.
Are you comfortable, honey?
You comfortable? This way, please. There we go. Okay. Good. One more down here. Okay. Sorry. Don't kick your daughter.
It wouldn't be the first time.
You can't be a good parent if you just
Yeah, if you don't
give
trip
them a
over your
little
kid. Yeah.
whack every once in a while. Okay. One more time. There we go. Perfect. Outside. There we go.
All right.
Okay. All done. Want to come here, Claire? Get in the picture? Come here and say hi to mommy. Up
Say
here.
hi.
Say hi like this. Wave at the camera.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Can you say hi, everybody?
Say hi.
Yeah, that was a cheap shot, I know. But I'll get views on that, hopefully. That's Monica. Thanks for watching.
Oh! Almost.
Okay, one more shot. Okay, go ahead.
Come on, Doc. You can do it.
Oh!
So close.
Hi, Dr. Thayer with Danelle, and we're going to show his adjustment today. And he's a tight one, so you get to see a difficult adjustment and see how we do it. Deal with it.
Thank you.
All right. You're difficult?
Yeah.
You're difficult. No, he's a good person. He's cooperative. His spine isn't. Yeah. Okay. So everybody always asks why I do this. just try to pre-stretch the muscle so I can get the spine positioned a little easier.
That's really nice. Well, that's why the time was like right when it kind of started moving.
Shoulder adjustments. Good. To relax the terminal end of the trapezius and levator scapula, relaxing the neck more. It's not about the shoulder adjustment, it's about allowing the skeleton to be as relaxed as possible. This is just about hurting the patient. Doesn't do anything. Just wanted to let you know finally why I do that.
Thanks.
Come on closer. Good, nice. Good, nice, perfect. Take place. Good, perfect. I'm back. Stay on this side. We're going to do this left side first. Good, nice. This side is really difficult.
No, they're cool, like one on that side. And then the other side, it's funny, same thing.
Good. Tight, tight, tight. That right side hardly ever goes. Yeah, it's always a special adjustment on that side. It has to be exactly right. Thanks for watching. That's his story. Dr. Thayer here with Lina. And we have been friends, and she's my patient forever.
Yes.
Yeah. So, anyways, get to let you guys watch. Good. And she wore a special shirt just for us today.
I did. I wanted to be spirited for you.
You advertise anything? Ho, ho, ho?
No.
Okay.
Can't say ho 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 anymore. It's offensive to.
Well, she's wearing a whole shirt that says freaking ho, ho, ho.
They banned Santa from saying that. Offensive.
Yes.
Everything's offensive to people anymore. So
Everything's
it's
expensive,
like,
yeah,
come
exactly.
on.
How long are these videos? A minute, 2 minutes? I was thinking to show everybody what we do on these days when we do the Christmas.
I think that's
giving.
great. That's a good idea.
Okay, perfect. Wow.
Does it really pop?
They popped a lot.
I never
You
feel
didn't
it.
hear
When
it?
no, I hear it, but I don't. I guess I don't feel it necessarily.
Yeah, I went a ton.
I'm a little tight from my upper body workout. I need to stretch a little more. Stretching up there is really hard sometimes.
Yeah. Your trainer doesn't give you any kind of ideas how to stretch your shoulders?
I do. I have some stretches. I do them, but sometimes I just get really tight. And we did a massive amount of upper body. My biceps are getting bigger.
A little closer.
A little lunge here.
Good, nice.
That felt felt good.
Good, nice. Here,
Sorry. That's just truly how I felt. I'm like, yes. It felt good.
Good, nice.
Oh, that felt good. Can we do it again?
Yeah. Slow down, slow down. Shoulders down, reach under the table more. Good. One more time, breathe. That's it. Go up to the under the table. Good.
Oh.
Perfect. On your side, please.
I'm trying to be good today. I just want you to know that because I know I'm on video.
Exactly. It's actually the best thing I've ever done. Everybody's all quiet, nobody's giving me a hard time. I may have to do this more often. Good, perfect.
I don't give you a hard time. What are you talking about? It's usually the other way around.
Everybody's on their best P's and Q's. What does P's and Q's mean, anyways? P's
That's a
and
good
Q's.
question.
I know, right? Good.
Is it politeness and quietness? I don't know. I just P's and Q's.
I'm sure on YouTube I'm gonna get a whole bunch of like, you don't know what P's and Q's are? You guys can educate us. Leave your comments.
We'll have to Google it. Yeah, you can edit.
No. Let them know that we don't know what we're talking about here. Okay. Side.
That felt good. I'm relaxed right now.
Perfect.
That was good. That was good. I'm like chill now.
That's Lina's story. Thanks for watching. Dr. Thayer here with Russ. He's a wrestler to the stars, and he's a great coach, mentor, and trainer. So look him up if you like. I'll try to put a link to his stuff on my video here for you guys, if you have a link.
Working on it. Everything's in motion right now.
Yeah. Good. We got a cameo. One of the patients who we just videotaped is actually videotaping this session, so thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Alexandra, you can go into room 4.
It's a family here. Everybody steps in to help when they can. That's what I love about this Saturday. Christmas spirit.
This Friday, next Friday, we're still here regular normal hours. We're here at 8:30, and then we go to lunch.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
Come on, wrestler. Just let me have control of your neck, wrestler. Just give up control. Every martial arts guy and every wrestler always is like, I just can't do it. There's just something in me that just won't let go.
It's better when I started.
Yeah, it's better when you start. But this is tight today. Yeah, definitely tight today. Good. Come a little closer, kiddo. That's good. Yeah, definitely tight on this side. You did something.
Right now, there's no.
Good, nice.
It's not my fault.
I know, I get it.
You can feel my shoulders. I'm relaxed.
Yeah, but see, I try to pull them over. There we go. There you go. Let this ear fall to my hand. There you go. Better. Back. Good. Come on. Beautiful. Table, please. You gonna stand this side? Okay, he has a spondylolisthesis, guys. So his L5 is slid way far forward, so we have to be aware of that. Okay, breathe in. Out. Good. Out. Good. On your side.
You want me to move it this way?
So stay right there, stay right there.
Okay.
Just get a shot of his ass. There you go. Sorry. It's not like he cares. He's like, shoot it already. Not like half the chicks out there haven't seen her already anyways, right? That's bad to say. Is that wrong? Yeah, of course you don't. Let's go. Good. That's not. Right here. Good, perfect. So stay right there, please. All right, come a tiny bit closer to his head. Good. On his low back, out the base posterior. We're just underneath the spondylolisthesis. So that's a shout out to my Godstead guys out there. I still remember. I still got skills.
I've been coming here for 20 years, so you better.
Yeah. Do they have named techniques for in wrestling? Like,
Yes.
This is like a Smith type wrestling move, and people, did they name them like after people?
Some of them, yes.
Oh, interesting. That's kind of like chiropractic. Huh. And so if you're a disciple of one technique, you can't be doing another one, or is it okay to roll them over?
So everyone else, you know, it's never bad to have more, but it kind of has their own style.
Yeah, but if you're
Certain
teaching somebody else's style,
following.
yeah.
Yeah.
I never asked you that question before. Okay, let's go this way. Beautiful. This is the Atlas adjustment here. Right up top. Beautiful. Good. Okay, so shoot me. That's Russ's story. Thanks for watching. Anyways, Merry Christmas to me, because this guy came back into my life in here. I love this guy, and pisses me off that he freaking left. But it was great to see him today, and I want to show you guys what happened, and I want to show you about placebo effect, how it doesn't mean anything, and we're going to show you his adjustment. Ready to get adjusted, dude?
Let's do it.
On your back here. I like the boots. I heard you around the house this morning.
Click, 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 click.
Okay. So you lying to me about cheating on me, man?
It's all that self-adjustment.
Yeah. Do you self-adjust still?
Every
Be
now
honest,
and then. Every now and then,
How
yeah.
often you do you think now? I'm just kind of curious. Not that I'm endorsing it, guys, but I'm kind of curious what he over a year does. It comes back a little bit. I want to know.
I would say
Honestly.
easily once a day.
Once a day. Okay.
Yeah.
That has to be that's a ton less than it used to be. So still once a day. Gotcha. Yeah. When I ask you guys, real quick on that, when I ask you guys to stop self-adjusting, it's terrible for you. It creates problems where there weren't problems before. Steve knows that, but again, when you don't get adjusted for a long period of time, the body starts wanting to go backwards in time. So this self-adjusting starts creeping back in your life. It starts here. If he stayed longer away from me, he would still be better than when he came in, but the self-adjusting would start to become more prevalent. Why? Because his body's still starting to go backwards, and it wants to find relief. So a lot of times when people come into me and they start self-adjusting again, that's a warning sign that you need to get adjusted again. So anyways, I wanted to point that out. Good. Beautiful. Wow.
Love that.
Did you miss me, dude?
Yeah, dude, I really did.
That was huge. Good, nice. So we're gonna walk him down the hall real quick. Good. Good. Remember, no twisting and turning, right?
Right.
Go on, sit up. Okay. People are gonna love this video, dude. They can't wait to see what you're doing. He actually got recognized. Where did you get at Knoxbury Farm or Disneyland?
Yeah, Knoxbury.
Knoxbury Farm. He goes, "You're that dude on. I've seen you before." He goes, "No, you haven't. That's not right here." He goes, "I've seen you before. Seen you before." He goes, "No, I haven't." He goes, "You're that guy. What?" I'll start.
From the video. From the video. That doctor, I'm like, yep. I'm like, all right.
Funny.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks so much, man. Good. See you guys next time. Dr. Thayer here with Alexandra. She has been a patient for a year, 2 years?
A year and a half.
Year and a half,
Yeah.
gotcha. And so she's here because she has hip pain, her back hurts. She works way, way too hard. She looks all nice and calm, but she is a tiger. She works her butt off. So we're going to get her adjusted all the time. So I'll let you guys watch. We just do a neck adjustment. Go ahead and lay your back, please. A second, please. Thank you. Okay, put your legs straight, please. Good, nice. Yeah, all Atlas on her. All Atlas, all the time. Beautiful.
Wow.
That wasn't too bad, huh? Yeah, it ain't an easy adjustment on her. She has a lot of issues with that adjustment. That left side is tight. We're constantly working it, but thanks for being brave and doing the video.
No, thank you.
See you guys next time. So we're gonna adjust her neck and we're gonna adjust her hips, and you guys get to watch. Okay? And we've never adjusted her hips forever.
No.
So glasses off, please. Lay your back here. Okay. Fingers on your baby. Okay. Well, real quick. Let's do this. So, you can shoot this real quick. So this is the pelvis where the baby is trying to go down into, right? And so we're going to adjust not only her neck to make her leverage, decrease the leverage on her spine, we're going to adjust this pubis bone right here, which allows spreading here of this, and these bones over here, which allows the hips to open up, which allows this to spread to allow the baby to fall in there. Okay, so this has to go in, the head has to go in here. You can't do a transverse, can't be breached because the head needs to spread this and then it goes out and you can pull it out that way, right? So that's the whole idea of what we're doing here today. Nice, relax your kid. Good. Remember me? Mm-hmm. Does Steve ever not smile?
No.
Beautiful. Okay. So in a moment, I'm going to get you, I'm going to roll you on your side, actually.
Okay.
You're going to roll towards Steve. Okay. I'm going to adjust your hips on your side. you done that before?
No.
Okay, so I'll put you in position. We'll just walk through a little slowly, okay? So go ahead and roll on your side, please. Just do the best you can. If you need help, let me know. Good. Now put this leg like this. This leg's gonna be straight. You have this arm here. Good. Okay, hold your wrist like that. Hey, come over this way real quick. So, just want to show you how we put her in position. See, the baby is safe here. So we're gonna roll her towards me. Once you're gonna roll her, the baby kind of comes off the table, no problem. She doesn't feel any pressure on the baby, right?
No.
Gotcha. So go back over, please. So I got you here. Just keep the hold the hands together. Hold the hands. Good, perfect. And so we're gonna adjust right here on the ilium, which is our hip, and that's one part of the 3 joints that need to be loosened up. Okay, let's go. Beautiful. Now come get her face. Oh, you like that, huh?
Yeah.
Other side. So you roll the other side. She's like this. Oh. Good. Okay. And no, Steve, you can't have this adjustment because you're not pregnant.
Yeah, that's like a good one too.
Okay, so again, work on our PSIS right here. We're adjusting our ilium here. This one, we're gonna do a little AS on this side. Okay. Beautiful. You like that?
Yeah.
Look it on your back now.
Yeah.
Stay right there. We're gonna do one more adjustment. Okay. So I'm gonna do a pubis. So bones. So you're gonna put both feet on the table, please. Good. Put your feet next to each other. Good. And so we're gonna do a pubis bone. This is the third point of contact for her pelvis. And so this is a really simple adjustment. You're going to just squeeze your knees together.
Okay.
Okay, watch. Get a little closer. Squeeze. Okay, one more time. Squeeze. Squeeze hard. Good. That's it. Legs down. I'm gonna have you sit up now. And if you see, she has sweat on her brow.
Yeah.
And I'm doing all the work. I never know how that works. I never, ever understand that, but patients always like sweating more than me. I never get that. So what do you think of that?
It felt really great. It felt really great. I'm glad that we asked that question when we came, a few years ago?
Yes.
Whenever we were ready to have kids, because I would have never thought of coming here.
Yes. And what did you ask? So remind them what you asked.
If it was safe to come during pregnancy.
Yeah. And so I'm really happy you let me do this video because there's a lot of women out there, a ton of women that are pregnant are just suffering with pain and suffering out there. Was that very hard on you?
No, you relieved quite a bit of pain.
Gotcha. Hello, Dr. Thayer with Marty. Do a quick video on her getting adjusted. You've seen her on my channel before, so she's here giving to our charity. So thanks for coming.
Welcome.
Should have heard the conversation just seconds before this.
Did I?
No, the video. I'm just thinking the people on there like we were laughing.
Oh, yeah.
It makes me laugh that the video only captures what we wanted to capture. It missed the first 30 seconds.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Just interesting.
So when I was in Costco yesterday, people always talk to me online. And so
Online?
in line.
Oh, in line.
Yes.
I'm like, you're online too?
No.
Show me your channel. What's your
Yeah.
channel? Yeah.
So this guy goes, "Oh, that's a good wine." I go, "Yeah." And I said, "Oh, those look like good steak." Oh, he told me, "This is really good beer." And I was like looking at it. He goes, "But it's not good if you have GERD."
Oh, interesting. Okay.
And I said, "Oh, well, take a antacid before you drink it."
Yeah.
And then he goes, "That doesn't work." I go, "Oh, how about a chiropractor?"
Uh-huh.
He goes, "I'm Chinese." And I said,
What does that mean? He really uses that as an
He
excuse.
said, he was being funny. He goes, "Well, I'm Chinese." And I looked at him, I said, "Well, that's good. My chiropractor is part Chinese."
Yes, I know. That's funny. How is that an excuse?
He was just being funny.
Funny, yes, I know.
So he goes, "Oh, my mom believes in that, acupuncture, chiropractor, blah, blah, blah." I said, "Well, anyway, if you want to get rid of the GERD, go online. SoCal Chiropractic.
Gotcha.
In line at Costco at Huntington Beach."
Wow, cool. Thank you.
Yep. But those,
I'm impressed. Did you have GERD when we first started with you?
No, not me.
Oh, yeah, because I don't think you did. I don't
No.
remember that at all. So I'm impressed that you even know that. That-
Well, I asked you because I have a few friends that have GERD.
Oh, that's right.
Yes.
Yeah, I forgot. That was so
And
long
plus
ago.
his steaks looked really good. They were about that thick.
Oh,
So, but anyway.
I thought because he was Chinese, you were like,
Well, he had a girl. He had his woman.
what?
with him.
What?
What do you
He had
mean
his woman.
what?
I don't know. She went like this. I was like, oh, because he's Chinese. And
No,
oh,
the
steak.
steaks.
Steak.
Stop.
Gotcha. If he sees this, he'll be like, oh my god, that guy is so insulting.
But at least his mom goes.
So freaking funny.
I said, well, he opened it up.
Yeah. Well, thank you. I'm just, like I said, I'm impressed that you know that. But now I know why you know that.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Because like, usually people only know
If they have it.
if when they have it, they come in and they go, oh,
My-
he cured my GERD.
My friend has it really bad. And she thought she was having a heart attack. So then I think I asked you, and so you
Scoot
said,
on
yep.
Yep. Yeah.
He
Because
does
when
work on it.
when it starts burning, it'll give you some feedback over the heart because it'll just the muscle starts spasming.
But I have to say, a lot of my friends were impressed with Sylvia, Germany, Sylvia, that her husband's an MD, and that she came all the way from there here. So, because my friend with the GERD is a nurse.
Oh, so your friend was impressed that they came
Yes,
from
she
Germany.
was like, really? And I go, yeah.
Not just the one German, 3 of them.
Well, right, but
Yeah.
I'm just the fact that her husband's an MD.
Oh, that's right. Okay,
Yes,
cool. I
yes.
get the correlation. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Because my
yeah.
friend's a nurse.
That's so funny that it's not impressive that she comes across the world. It's just that her daughter.
Well, I think that, and then on top of it, and
Yeah,
I was
yeah.
just like, you know, I said I was just happening to talk to her. Oh, yeah.
So you'll see Sylvia's video in a couple months. But Marty became friends with one of our patients who just finished like last week.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, just relax here. Good, bueno.
Ooh.
We're talking Spanish now.
Oh,
Okay. Why are you sweating so much?
I know I'm sweaty. Nerves.
We're gonna have her walk down the hall after this, by the way, too. Good. This way. Beautiful.
Oh,
You moved good today.
you did
Yeah.
it quick.
That's,
Quick
what,
and
that's what she
painless.
said. You were good. That 10 seconds was really good. I'm so bad today. Today.
Right?
Okay. Yeah. Take your time, but I want to just get everybody to see. Marty's been on one of our videos, so if you guys are interested in seeing her previous videos, she has two videos. Part
Right.
1, part 2.
Part one, and I think it was about the knee or the
The
sciatica.
knee and sciatica, I
Yeah.
don't remember what it was, but anyways, check her walkout, guys, and we'll finish in the hallway. How long have you been my patient now?
I started in August of 2017, so a year and a half.
Year and a half. Ah, right when Steve, who was just here about the same time. It's funny.
Which one is Steve?
Steve, who just left. He's, go ahead and stop right here.
Oh,
He's the
okay.
one who just left. He's the one who couldn't pick his kids up. He's one of our top 5 videos.
Oh,
The guy
okay.
who was like so happy that he had so much less pain that he could actually play with his kids.
Oh.
Anyways, that was a wonderful story. But you...
Is that the one with the wife pregnant?
Yeah, just right now. Yeah,
Oh,
we just
okay.
did- We did the
Okay.
video. Yeah, so thanks for watching. That's Marty's story. Hi, Dr. Thayer here with Robin. So she's been a patient for now 2 years, 3 years, going on 3 years now.
2.5.
2.5, yeah. Great patient. So we'll see her get adjusted today. And she liked my.
Yeah, I like that necklace.
She went out of her way like, oh my god, that necklace is so funny.
Well, because my grandma has it.
My wife was supposed to be wearing it today, and she goes, I was gonna wear it, I thought it was too much. And she thought it was funny that I came in with it on. She's like, I thought it was too much, but not for you.
My headaches have been getting better
Oh,
since
good.
I've been coming in more.
Good. Yeah, she has been up and down, coming in on schedule. So since she got a couple headaches and she was kind of locked in, we've got to adjust her a little bit more consistently, and so we're getting control of that headache now again. Generally, she's not a big headache person. Yeah, we haven't really had any problems the last couple of years, but yeah. We chalked it up to that she lost her job about how long ago? A couple months ago, a month ago, or something like that. And she's been home too much. That's where the headaches came from. Laying around too much. So we got to get her working. If you have a job out there, guys, right here.
Awesome. Yes. Thank you. I teach English. So.
Teach English, exactly. What were you doing before? You were doing that editing for what that? No, you're not in the company, but you were editing not scripts, but
I was a copy editor.
copy editor, yeah. Rudolph, would you know so bright?
So festive in here today.
Right? Once a year. You can't help but sing the Rudolph song.
I drive everyone crazy with Christmas music. So
Do you really?
I mostly listen to it by myself in the car.
Yeah, I put it off. Like I can't start Thanksgiving. I have to put it off a little more because it drives us absolutely bonkers because we play the same CDs over and over. So after a couple of weeks, we're like, okay, I'm done. So we have to start a little later.
Yeah. No, I start like as soon as I start playing it.
Oh, do you really? When do you get tired of it, or do you ever get tired of it?
Mm-mm.
Good. Good. Let's come back this way. Good. Beautiful. Go, please. One side, please. One side. A little closer on this one. Good. Breathe in. And out. Beautiful. You can hear that a lot. Breathe in. Out. Good. One more up here. Out. Good. Back.
Oh, well.
Felt really good. Wow.
Whoa.
Jeez. Oh, so good.
It's been going really well
Yes,
lately.
it has. Woo. Those are Atlas adjustments. Rock on the Atlas adjustment. Thanks for doing the video, Robin. See you guys next time. Hi, Dr. Thayer here with Carl. This is going to be his third or fourth adjustment? Third adjustment. Gotcha. So you guys have seen a lot of people here that have been patients for years. He's a new patient, came in today and donated to our charity, so thank you very much. Let's get you adjusted. On your back, please. We just saw you yesterday, right?
Yep.
Yep. We're doing really simple adjustments on him right now, just mid-neck. We went over his x-rays yesterday, showed him where his arthritis is in his neck. And it is right in here. Okay. Good, beautiful. This side. He's doing significantly better. We shot a video yesterday of him, full video. But again, just for this event, we're just getting everybody adjusted today. Beautiful. Good. So what did you come in for? What is the pain you came in for originally? Your neck, right?
Yeah, neck and shoulder.
Neck and shoulders, right? And so we're just his neck right now, guys. That's his adjustment. Again, 4th day, and he came in. He was here yesterday. He's doing much better. Thanks for watching. Hi, Dr. Thayer here with Bart. Haven't seen this fool for almost 2 years now, and you know, my Christmas promotion always brings the fools out and brings them back, which we love. Love seeing this guy. He's an old friend of ours, and known him forever. So I'm glad you're back. Get you adjusted today and see what happens, and let you guys watch what's happening. Okay. So the patient before this is a brand new patient who just started. So this is a patient who's been coming in on and off for years, and so we'll get him adjusted here. Good. Yeah, I think we should probably schedule some X-rays for you if you decide to come give us another try. Because I want to see that disc of yours. He says L5S1 is completely gone. Good. Relax. That's it. In the nose, out the mouth. Good. There you go. Remember me?
I do remember that one. I deserve it.
You do deserve it. I was being nice to you too. Okay, let your head fall this way, sir. Okay, he's gotta relax. There we go. Perfect. Good. Good. Okay, come this way. Okay. He's really fighting me on this side. Okay. Bring this ear down towards me. Good, nice. Okay, please. Face down.
Face down?
Face down over here. No.
Over
on
here.
the table. Yes.
I think you like that posture.
See, you get to a certain age, you forget what you're doing.
Oh.
You've been here a million times.
Still recovering.
Okay. Okay, in the nose, Bart. Out the mouth. Good, nice. Breathe in. Out. Okay. Up here. Out. Good. On your back, sir. Okay, to the side, please.
Still hanging on blackies?
I haven't been down there very much now. We've been pretty busy in this office.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to Mexico in a couple days.
It's a routine.
Yeah. We're gonna go. We're gonna stay at K38 for
Oh, nice.
a week down there.
Awesome.
Yeah. Just be me and myself and I out
What,
the water.
Gaviotis or those condos
The
before?
condos.
Okay.
Yeah. The wife and kids are gonna go for the first time.
Watch the currents, because Mexico had that sewer lake.
Oh, really?
Tijuana did, yes. But it's coming to Imperial Beach is getting it.
The current's bringing it up, or is it going down?
It's bringing it up.
Oh, it is?
Lately, I don't know about today.
Well, K38 is really, really deep out there. That's the crazy part. It comes in and it. This one? Good, beautiful.
You go now, Rob?
No, just like I said, family, other way.
Okay.
But I'm sure, I told my wife he's probably going to show up on the couch. Yeah. Yeah. You know, it's a little bay in there, so the currents don't really hit you very much in there. Okay. Good, wow. Whoa,
Yeah, that was a lot, both of them.
That was a lot, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna get him up and walk down the hall real quick, because I want to. This fool has no clue of how much better he'll feel after this. I guarantee he's gonna feel a ton better.
But you'll be back.
I know exactly. He's hard to make happy, this guy.
Somebody else would say, okay, if I feel better, I won't have to come back.
I know.
No, I'll come back.
Yeah. Yeah, because you adjusted pretty darn good.
All his money? Yeah, I can feel him.
Still busy?
Yeah, little sky up there.
One more time, one more time.
Oh.
Yeah, you gonna walk down? Up. All the way to the door and back. So,
This has been a year and a half, almost 2 years now. How do you feel different after that adjustment? I know you feel better because that was a big adjustment. That moved a lot.
Right now I feel good, but I'm not bending over pulling weeds or anything.
Okay, well, just, I didn't do the test before, but go ahead and bend over, touch toes real quick since you said it.
Touch my toes.
And just do the best you can. Just go as bad. Okay.
I used to do this all the time.
Yeah.
There we go.
Go ahead and stand up. How's that feel?
Feels good.
That was good. Good.
Yeah.
Well, Bart, thanks for doing the
Thank
video.
you. Thanks for your donations.
No, I love it. You know, we do a donation every year. We give to Second Harvest. Give back to people in our local area and give them food. Or people who are homeless, we want them to eat. So thanks again for contributing every year. You're awesome. See you guys next time.